This is from the collection Bury Me Naked by Team House Bongo Jesu. Early morning. I've searched for a cigarette everywhere. I do not find one. I slept with the key hanging in the lock from outside. But that's not what bothers me. What bothers me is that I haven't found a cigarette. Thinking, calculating, thinking, as if I have nothing to talk about. My head turns to thinking about anything and everything. The people who said they will catch me and slit my throat, the difficulties I underestimated, and all the time I spent on illusions. I fight a war like this most nights. I know the battlefield better than I know anything. In the morning, time takes its own time before it makes things clear. And I always ask myself, why does the sun have to rise? Why doesn't it leave us alone in the dark?